part 2 or the nomenclature of what of the alkane. In this part 2, I'm going to dive into some complex structure we actually what named in the part 1. Also, I'm going to give you what the remaining 3 rules what in naming complex what alkanes. So make sure you have your pen and notebook so you can take down every single thing I'm going to do in this video. And make sure you stay to the end of this video. By the end of this video, you should go back to this those things you have written down and practice them. Then look for what more complex what compounds to practice. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do that. Hit the subscribe button so that you can know you're not going to what miss my future what upload. Right? Let's get started. So the first thing I want to walk you through is what branch alkyl group. Now, alkyl group are mainly used as a side chain or what they are mainly used as a substituent. So we have the common ones here. Here we have what isopropyl. This is called what isopropyl. Then this is called what propyl 1, 2, 3. Right? This is called what iso what butyl. Then this is called what sec what butyl. This is what tet what butyl. So now you should know them. Most see them in what in nomenclature or compound. They are mainly used as a side chain. The other thing that I want to take note is what NO2 is called what nitro. Now BRO is what bromo. Then Cl is what chloro. Yes. So we are going to make it of all these ones in what in our nomenclature. Then the last one, then remain these 3 here is called what methyl. Then what ethyl. Now let's take our first question here. If you have been asked to give the nomenclature of what this compound here, I just duplicated them two. I just duplicate one compound, so two of them are the same. So first thing we want to do, we want to take what longest continuous carbon chain and what think as a parent chain. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So my parent chain here is what? Heptane. It's okay, heptane. Now this heptane, we have 3 groups here attached what to the what parent chain, right? So this guy is what methyl. This guy is what chloro, and this guy is what bromo. It's okay. Now there are 2 possible ways to what number. You can either start the number from here or start them from here. Remember the first 3 in what nomenclature what take the what lowest continuous carbon chain and what think as parent chain. Now then the other way is to say that if 2 or more substrates are attached to the parent chain, then the summation of the position of the substrate must have the lowest possible number. So now the reason why I divide twice, so I can start my number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I start my number from here. If I start my number from here, what am I going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So now let's sum their position. Account number 2, I have a bromo group. Now account number 5, I have what the methyl group. And account number 6, I have what a chloro group. Now if you sum them together, here we have 6 plus 5, which is what 11 plus 2, which is what 13. You have 13, but I mean I start my number from here 1, 2, 2 plus 3 plus 6. Yeah, I'm going to have what 11. Right, you could say that the one that gives you the lowest possible number is by what correct number. So this is the wrong one, so I'm going to write this one out. Then I'm going to focus on this guy here because this one gives the lowest what number. So here we have bromo, here we have chloro, here we have bromo, here we have what methyl. And the parent chain is what 18. Right? So remember, B will come before C and C will come before what N, right? So in naming that here are now going to have 6 what bromo, then what 2 chloro, then what 3 what methyl, here are what 18. So that will be what the name of what this compound here. Remember, number and alphabet are separated by what hyphen here. This is dash here. Very good. So you must separate them. You know what? Separate them. So this is what the name of what this structure. Now let's look at another one. Now let's name this compound here. I created it so that I can actually name from both directions. So you go say you will take what longest continuous carbon chain. Of course, here going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. No name. Right? And the word parent tree. So there are two ways I can know. I can either start my name from here or start my name from here. So if I start my name from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what about here? When I start my name from here, what am I going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So now let's sum our position here. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus what? 7, 21. 21. Now when I start my number from here, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7, 19. Now we're going to get around what's 19. So of course, this will give me what the lowest possible what's number. This will give me the so I'm going to write this out. So I count my 3, here we are words and the time group. So we're going to have 3 words, 3 ethyl, right? Now I count my 4, I want text, I want 4 text, ethyl. Then here we have 5 ethyl, I want 7 words ethyl. So remember we must name them alphabetically, right? B will come before E and E will come before M, right? So let it be what? 4 text butyl, right? 4 text what? Butyl. Then here we have what? 3 words ethyl. Then these two will combine together because now what's ethyl. So it's going to be what? 5, 7 then what? Ethyl. Then what? No name. So this is what big name of this compound here, right? So you must try the word number from both sides and sum their position and see the one that will give us the lowest possible one. Now let's look at another one. Let's try to name this compound here. Now if you follow the rules and try to name number tell the longest continuous carbon chain, then you find that from here to here it's going to be what my longest continuous carbon chain because the one that's containing what more carbon chain, right? So from here to here contain what more carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So the parent chain is going to be what? Decane, right? So that is if I should step from here to here, my parent chain. So I'm going to have this guy as a substituent. Here 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 as a substituent. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 substituents, right? So how do you do it? You must number in such a way that the summation of the position of the substituent must have the lowest possible number. If we start our number from here, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? So I count about 3. I have what? A methyl plus. Here we have what? 4 plus. I count about 5. I have 2 substituents. So it will be 5 plus 5, right? And I count about 7. I have what? 2 substituents. So it will be plus 7 plus what? 7. So if I sum them together here, 31. So I give me what? 31. Then when I start my number from here, right? So you must actually take absolute care in what when you have what taking what the correct number. So now let's start our number from here. Let's see what I'm going to get. Here we have 2. Right? So I count about 4. I have 2 substituents. 4. Sorry. Here we have what? 4 plus 4, right? Then I count about 5. I count about 6. I have 2 substituents. plus 6 plus what 6 plus that was 7. I have what substituents plus 7 plus what 8. So now let's sum the position first. That was 35. Yeah, but 30 what 5. So start from here, give me 35. Start from here, give me what 31. So 31 is what the lowest possible what number. So my right number will be the one. Start from what from this point here. Right? So you must be careful when you're actually doing it. Right? This one, like I told you, we are going to have a name of complex structure today in this what video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's what now I want my correct number. So the next I'm going to do here, I can mark 3. I want a methyl. So I'm going to say 3 with methyl. 3 what methyl. Right? I can mark 4 also have what methyl. 4 what methyl. Right? I can mark 5. I want ethyl. So 5 what ethyl. Right? I can that can mark 5 also have a propyl, which what 5 what propyl. Right? Then I can mark 7. I have what methyl 2. So 7 what methyl. Then I can mark 7 to also have what ethyl. 7 what ethyl. So you can see that ethyl occur multiple times. So now when you name it alphabetically, E before what? M before what? P. M-N-O-P, right? So now when you want to name it alphabetically, E become before what? M before what? P, right? So if you look at the E, we have what 2 substituents. Let's go right again. Methyl and what methyl. So methyl occur multiple times, and the position is what 5 and what 7. So it will be 5, 7 dimethyl. Sorry, diethyl. Right? Let's go right again. E methyl occur 2 times, which is going to be what 5, 7 dimethyl. Right? The methyl occur 3 times, which is going to be what 3, 4, and 7 trimethyl. Right? Then propyl occur only once, so going to be what 5 what propyl. 5 propyl. 5 what propyl. Then tekene. So you can see how complex this stuff look like, right? So this one is very, very complex, right? So you must take absolute care when naming the stuff. Now let's look at other difficult ones. This is the last one in this video. If you have been asked to name this one here, what are we going to do here? This one look very simple, but it's a little bit complex. So I'd like you to pay very close attention. So then my longest continuous carbonation is going to be from here to here, which is going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octane. Octane, right? So we have 2 substituents here. Right? Now, my problem here is that if you number it from either side, it will give me what 9. Because if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 3 plus 6 is what 9. And when I start my number from here, right? 3 plus 6 is what is 9. Now, but if I start from this to that side here, if I should start from to that side, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 6 is going to give what 9, right? So number for either side give what 9 and 9. So which will that be what my correct number? My correct number will not be the one side is facing alphabetical order. Will be what the lowest possible number. What do I mean? Here is what an ethyl group, and here is what methyl group. Right? Because methyl come before what? Because ethyl come before what methyl in alphabetical order. This guy is not going to be what will that be at the lowest what position, right? So this is not going to be what my right number instead of this that one here. If I start from here, they're going to be position 6. But if I start from here, going to be what position 3, right? So what will be the name of this two compound here? It's going to be what 3 what ethyl. then what 6 what methyl, then what octane, right? So that will now be the name of what this compound here. So you can see that we have done a whole lot of problem here. So what you have to do now is to what revise what you have done, then practice more, because practice what make perfect. So you need to keep on practice for you to what master what nomenclature. Please, if you are not like this video, please like the video. Now ask any question. If you ask, I'm going to what reply you. If you have any question, you can ask that. Please subscribe to the channel if you so you are not going to miss more video like this that is going to what help you. See you in the next video.